Hi boys and girls, for today's lesson we are going to talk about the two words that are on my whiteboard. The first word is more, meaning bigger, and the next word is fewer, which means smaller. So we are going to be finding quantities that have more than a certain number and that have fewer, less. All right, so we're going to take a look at some cards. And you are going to need to get your counters out because you are going to be making groups that are more or less. Okay, so here is our first card. We have 5 eggs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your job is to take your counters and try to make a group that is more than 5. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is create a group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So grab your counters and make 5, count out 5. Now we need to make this pile bigger because we need more. So why don't you take a second and make your group more than 5. Decide how many you want to put in your group. I'm going to put 2 more on. So my total is 7. 7 is more than 5. You might have done a different number. You could do 6. 6 is 1 more than 5. Maybe you did 8. Maybe you did 9. Or maybe you did all of your counters. Maybe you did 10. All of those numbers are more than 5. All right, let's try a different card. All right, let's count our eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I want you to make a pile that's fewer than 6. That's less. That's smaller than 6. So maybe you start out by counting 6 counters. To find a number that's fewer or less, you might have to take some away. So if I want a number smaller than 6, I might take 2 away. So now I only have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That number is less or fewer than 6. All right, let's try another card. I'm going to have you do this one by yourself. All right, how many eggs do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are going to make a group that is more than 7. Okay, so think of a number that's higher than 7 and create your group right now. So I'm going to first start out with 7. Now I need to add more. I'm going to add 2 more. So my number that is more than 7 is 9. Maybe you had a different number. Maybe you had 8. 8 is more. Maybe you had 9. 9 is still more than 7. Or maybe again you put 10. All right, let's practice with one more card. All right, how many eggs do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4. You are going to make a pile that is fewer, that is less or smaller than 4. And I am just going to do 1. 1 is smaller than 4. All right, now you are going to get a chance to practice on your worksheet. Remember, more means bigger. You start with the number and add more. And the word fewer means less. So you don't want as many as the group. I can't wait to see your work. Bye.